Okay, so again, our theme, our strategies for this week are to talk about how to make money trading the Bitcoin ETFs approval. So even though we had the little hack SEC foobar on, what was it, Wednesday, we did get the approval of 11 spot ETF, 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs on Thursday. Webull came out with a nice page in an email that explains these Bitcoin ETFs. So you can access that link to the Webull page in our notes. They talk about what is a spot Bitcoin ETF, what makes it attractive, and we'll talk about some other potential benefits of a spot Bitcoin ETF. But they talk about direct exposure to Bitcoin, regulatory oversight, low fees, convenient portfolio management. What are some of the risks? Volatility. Bitcoin, substantial volatility, costs. There's costs and fees in these Bitcoin ETFs. Security, still a digital asset. Some regulatory uncertainties. So one of the very helpful things I thought in this web page is it lists the 11 different Bitcoin spot Bitcoin ETFs and their fee structure. So I think you'll find this very helpful. If you're interested in the spot Bitcoin ETFs, again, you can see their ticker symbols. They all just started trading. So again, we don't have a lot of history on most of these, but you can see if you're going to hold them for any length of time, you can see the fee structures, and it varies dramatically from Grayscale, their conversion of their trust to a ETF. They're still charging 1.5%. This hash is 0.94, and then the cheapest right now is this BitB at 0.2. ArcBees is at 0.21. So again, you can access this web page via the link in our notes. And again, this fee structure table, I think you'll find that information helpful. I will also post that link. I may have already done so, but we do have a cryptocurrencies channel in our Discord. So if you're yeah, I did. I already posted that, the link to that Webull page also in our cryptocurrencies channel in our Discord. So if you'd like to discuss cryptocurrencies in general, I would recommend that channel, our cryptocurrencies channel in our Discord. So I hope that all helps. Welcome, Becca. Thank you for joining us. Hope you're doing well. So, some of the topics I wanted to talk about how to make money trading the Bitcoin ETFs approval is for us to think about is who's buying these new Bitcoin ETFs. Um, Now in Fidelity and some of your retirement accounts, you can now buy these Bitcoin ETFs, whereas you typically could not buy Bitcoin directly in a traditional retirement account. So those people that might have been interested in buying Bitcoin, but again, if you're trading in a retirement account, they may be buying. Again, I would expect it to be younger people in general. Again, that's a stereotypical generality. But again, your millennials and down, I would expect those are the people that are going to be most interested in buying the Bitcoin ETFs if they're not already buying Bitcoin themselves. And then the next question is, okay, where are they going to take the money from? So again, these are discussion topics, and I'd love to hear your feedback. You can post in the comments to this video in the cryptocurrency channel in our Discord. But again, once we've identified who we think is going to be buying these Bitcoin ETFs, where are they going to take the money out of? And Bitcoin in the past, or cryptocurrencies in the past, had tended to be highly correlated with technology, with the tech stocks. So I'm wondering, are they going to take the money out of the Magnificent Seven and put it in the Bitcoin ETFs? Are they going to take it out of the previous Bitcoin-related ETFs like BITO, Block, etc.? Or are they going to take it out of the mining stocks? where's the money going to flow out of to flow into these Bitcoin ETFs? And again, we saw significant inflows into these new Bitcoin ETFs. So again, we'll want to watch, where is the money flowing into and where is the money coming out of. So obviously we short, where the money's coming out of, and long where the money's going into. So again, part of the question is, how will this impact the previously existing Bitcoin related ETFs? We'll see. I'll look at these in our ETF sheet. We also saw, a sell the news event. So right after these came out, people expected Bitcoin to pop, and rather it dropped. People, it was a sell the news. They ran Bitcoin up to 47, 48K in advance of the actual approval, and then, they sold off. So there were quite a few, bag holders that bought Bitcoin much higher. It's been in a crypto winter, and so I think we got a lot of profit taking, a lot of selling. So again, something to think about if you're holding the old Bitcoin futures ETFs or things that are invested in the miners and blockchain technology. We might see outflow because the same people that bought those to begin with may be rotating into the new Bitcoin ETF. So again, something to think about. So we've done a couple videos on the various ETFs that were previously available to trade cryptocurrency. So you can hear our evaluation of those previous ETFs. And we've talked about, BITO, BITI, Block, BitX, and you can listen to those. Once these new ETFs get some history behind them, then we can evaluate those new Bitcoin ETFs, better. And we will do so, again, once I get some history and we can do a better evaluation, we'll do that. So other things to think about is how this will impact the previous Bitcoin related stocks like, your Mara, Riot, your exchanges like Coin. Are people going to take their money out of the miners, or are they going to put their money into the miners based on these new Bitcoin ETFs? So some of the additional benefits of some of these new Bitcoin ETFs that I see is the ability to trade spot Bitcoin in retirement accounts. As I pointed out, typically you couldn't buy cryptocurrencies directly in a traditional retirement account, but now you can buy these ETFs. So anybody that really wants to, kind of hold cryptocurrency without actually owning the coins themselves can do so with the new ETFs. And you can do so without having to use a crypto wallet or a crypto exchange. So you don't have to, have the keys in a crypto wallet, have the risk of losing them or getting them stolen, or putting them in an exchange, like, and having the exchange go under, like FTX. So it potentially reduces some of the risk. Although, these ETFs, you're not owning your own coins. So one of the major benefits people see in cryptocurrency is, it's portable from country to country. It's, easier to carry around than gold. So if you're concerned about the collapse of a currency or something like that, again, it doesn't necessarily help you as these ETFs are still part of our U.S. Market. Another benefit I see is you don't have to track and report capital gains on your Bitcoin trade. So in the past, now the IRS was asking you, did you do any cryptocurrency trades? And if so, then you'd have to account for any capital gains on those trades and report that as taxable income. So now with an ETF, typically all of that will be handled by your brokerage. They'll give you a form and it will handle any taxes on your capital gains or losses, or that will be actually handled within the ETF itself. Some of the risks of the new Bitcoin ETFs that I see is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies trade 24/7, but the ETFs only trade during trading hours. Even though that would be extended hours, you can get potential large gap ups and gap downs. Now, this isn't all that different from other commodities that are based on futures that trade 24/7. But again, just be aware that some of these may gap up or gap down significantly right at market open, whether it be extended hours open at 4 a.m. or at the actual market open at 9:30. So again, you might watch the actual Bitcoin price. Again, they may not perfectly track the Bitcoin spot price, so that's one of the outstanding questions, is how well are they going to actually track the Bitcoin spot price. So again, something you want to maybe pay attention to, and there may be advantages between the different Bitcoin ETFs based on how well they track the spot price. So another thing that Kramer pointed out was he said that these Bitcoin ETFs are not actually ETFs, but they're ETPs, which does make some sense, which is an exchange-traded product. So behind them, they have a custodian that's actually holding the Bitcoin. So there is some risk in the custodian for the actual Bitcoin, and there's some counterparty risk, again, with whoever's holding that Bitcoin. If something happens to them, if they get hacked, etc., then the value of this ETP may not hold. So again, I hope this all helps. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts, additional strategies on how to make money trading the Bitcoin ETF's approval. Again, where do you think the money's going to flow into and out of relative to these new Bitcoin ETFs? How do you think it's going to impact other cryptocurrencies? I know people are already talking about Ethereum ETFs, etc. So love to hear your feedback in the comments in our Discord, etc. On how can we make money trading the Bitcoin ETF's approval. So we do have other videos too about various cryptocurrencies, how you can create a watch list of cryptocurrencies in Webull, etc. So you can view those all in the cryptocurrencies playlist on our channel. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.